predisposition of the staff. This has to do with international orientation and exposure of staff of the company. The more the staff of a business have international orientation and exposure through schooling abroad, traveling abroad, holiday abroad, or working abroad, or knowledge of export market and speaking foreign language, the more a business is ready for export. Staff predisposition can be an indicator of readiness because it reflects the level of commitment and enthusiasm within the company towards international trade. A team that is motivated and eager to explore new markets is more likely to be successful. That foreign orientation makes them to be quality conscious, and that quality consciousness is critical for success. That quality consciousness is critical for success. Willingness to learn. Willingness to learn. Employee who show a keen interest in learning, particularly if doesn't have foreign exposure now to learning, international trade, custom regulation, cultural differences, are more likely to be successful in export activity. Staff who demonstrate a willingness to embrace new ideas and approaches, who are adaptable to different market conditions, are better equipped to handle the challenges of exporting. Language skill, being able to speak a different language, particularly, let's say French, for example. That makes it easier to be able to access the French market. That makes it easier to be able to access the French market. Employees who speak a foreign language or who are willing to learn are valuable assets for the company that want to export to foreign markets. Cultural sensitivity. This has to do with cultural intelligence. Staff who are culturally aware and able to navigate nuances of different culture are better equipped to establish relationships with foreign customers and partners. Customer focus. Employees who are customer focused and committed to providing excellent customer service can help a company build a strong reputation in the international market. Overall, staff predisposition towards exporting is an important factor to consider when assessing a company export readiness. A motivated and knowledgeable team can help a company overcome the challenges of exporting and succeed in international markets. And succeed in international markets. And succeed in international markets. And succeed in international markets.